Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. In this hunt, or in this review, I am actually going to look at two US coins that I've already done a review on, which I got sent an extra copy of. And that's the Maria Tall Chief US quarters. In the past 2 years, the United States has issued 5 coins a year of dominant in their field US quarters of women. Maria was a prima ballerina, and she's the first, I believe, from her ethnicity to become a prima ballerina. I believe she was from one of the native Indian tribes, and I have done a full review, and I've done a full review of this, giving a lot of details in the past, so I will not be doing so again, otherwise the video will be very long. But there's a Philadelphia and a Denver Mint version of the 25 cents of Maria Tall Chief. Next, I have a spare circulating coin of Charles III's reign, Charles III's coronation at Westminster Abbey. So this is one that I picked up at the time of the release, but hasn't fully shown. I believe I showed the other two that I got. This was a third one I was given by a friend of mine. These two, one was given by a friend of mine, and one I had given to me, or should I say, it was given to me in change at the post office. And that's the latest release for circulation of the 50p salmon. You can tell it's a circulating one because at the nape of the neck there, on the ones that come from the Royal Mint, they have the Crown Privy mark. This one doesn't. So this one and this one, both of them are circulating versions of that coin. So they do exist out there, Christopher. You just got to find one. Yeah, he's still searching in his hunts for the salmon. I don't believe it'll be too long before he gets it, because let's face it, if I can find them, so can he, very easily. So, quick review of a couple of coins that I've got and I found and that I've not shown before. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have yet to subscribe to the channel and you believe I deserve it, could you please do so? I am looking to increase my subscriber level again for this year. It's going to be an ongoing thing, and I hope that you'll help me get there. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, till we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, thank you for watching to the end, and from me, bye bye. Ta-da now.